What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. So today I'm going to show you how I do YouTube affiliate marketing. So check this out. I made my first commission, $38, by promoting this software, Funnel Freedom. So basically Funnel Freedom, this is a software that you can use for building. You can use it to build funnels, to create your email sequence, you can use it as well in your affiliate marketing business. So it has a 14-day free trial. The creator of this software is Jonathan Montoya, and if I scroll down, you can see that we have here testimonials, but more importantly, so check this out. These are all the products or softwares that Funnel Freedom can replace. For example, this is ClickFunnels. So basically Funnel Freedom has unlimited sales funnels. So check this out. Here we have WordPress and Wix that you can use those software for website development. So you can use Funnel Freedom as well to do that task. We have here MailChimp. So check this out. We have Kajabi and all of these products. You can replace all of these products by using Funnel Freedom. And I think that one of the greatest things about this product is that it has a complete high-ticket affiliate system that I'm going to show you later in this video. Also, it has social post planners, and you can earn affiliate commissions, 40% affiliate commissions, and the price of Funnel Freedom is right now $97 per month. Now check this out. So this is the software, and it has a 7-figure done-for-you system inside of the system. So check this out. So if I click here on sites, I'm going to show you the funnel that I'm using. Okay, now I'm going to click on Funnel Freedom because first of all, I want to show you where do I put my affiliate links to promote multiple affiliate products and offers, because basically I'm promoting a lot of products, high-ticket products and software by utilizing the funnel that is inside of Funnel Freedom. Okay, so I click here and then I'm going to click on affiliate link settings, and then I'm going to show you how I am promoting this product, and but more importantly, how is the northern sequence that helped me to make that commission. So check this out. Inside of this page, I copy and pasted all my affiliate links for all of these products. The 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator. We have here Funnel Freedom because I'm promoting this software. We have as well Legendary Marketer. This is a well-known high-ticket product. We have as well Secret of Success. This is the latest training of Russell Brunson. System Data Joe is a funnel builder. Get Response is for email marketing, and we have all of these products, and these are all my affiliate links for these products. Now if I click on sites, I'm going to show you how I'm promoting all of those products. So basically I'm utilizing this funnel, mapping your 9-to-5 exit strategy, and I'm driving traffic to this opt-in page. And I'm going to show you as well the lead magnet. The lead magnet is something that you give in exchange for the email, and in this case I'm giving away a free course that Jonathan Montoya has created for his affiliates. So check this out. This is the opt-in page, and I'm driving traffic to this page and I'm collecting emails. So when people read this hook or title and they click this button because they want to take the free course, I can collect the name and the email of those people who wrote the information, and if they want, they can write their cell phone number as well. So once I have that information, Funnel Freedom is going to send this free course, and here people are going to find valuable information because this is the lesson that Jonathan Montoya has created, this lesson for this free course. And when people keep scrolling down, they will find these buttons. And check this out. Here is going to appear my affiliate link for the 72-hour challenge. And this is a really cool way to promote all of those products that I just showed it to you, because people are going to learn from this training, and when they scroll down, they will find more buttons here. For example, here I'm in part number 7. They will scroll down, and when they click here, they will find my affiliate link for Funnel Freedom, and this is my affiliate link for Freedom Accelerator, which is the high ticket course of Jonathan Montoya. So this is the first method that I'm using to promote all of those products, by giving away this free course. And also I'm promoting all of those products in the back end. So basically we have an ordering sequence or email sequence that Funnel Freedom is going to start sending all these emails to all the people who obtain their information inside of my page or capture page. So check this out. So I have right now 36 people enrolled on the welcome sequence, and then people will receive the first nurturing sequence of 60 days, and so on and so forth. We have all these emails inside of this sequence, and inside of the emails, people are going to find valuable information about how to start an affiliate marketing business, and also they are going to find my affiliate links. So I clicked in one of the nurturing sequence, and so you can see how is the sequence. So check this out. So for example, I have 4 people waiting in this step. So in this case, Funnel Freedom is waiting for 2 days to send the supporting offer number 2, which is Legendary Marketer. So Legendary Marketer is another high ticket product. Then Funnel Freedom is going to wait for 1 day to send the Legendary Marketer review. Then it's going to wait for another day to send my secret Quora free traffic method. So you can see I have here this entire nurturing sequence that is going to help people to go from a point A, which is a point of massive pain, to a point B, which is basically their goal. So in this case is how to quit their 9-to-5 job by starting an affiliate marketing business. And basically this system is the blueprint that Jonathan Montoya used to build his own 7-figure affiliate business, and we are utilizing the products that he has created, and also the products that he is promoting as an affiliate marketer. So I think that this is a great way to start an affiliate marketing business for all the people who don't know how to do the tech stuff, and also for all the people who don't have time to build this entire ecosystem of products, because building this system, it takes time. So I have been using ClickFunnels and GetResponse for many years, and for example, this is one of the funnels that I have been using, and I collect emails with this funnel. So in this case, this funnel, the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate ebook, I'm giving away a free ebook that Jonathan Montoya has created in exchange for the email. And when people subscribe to this funnel, ClickFunnels send that information to GetResponse, and I have here inside of my GetResponse account all the nurturing sequence that I wrote. So instead of using ClickFunnels and GetResponse and build this entire system by yourself, you can utilize this software, Funnel Freedom, to promote all of those products that is inside of this page. The name is Funnel Freedom, here inside of affiliate link settings. And I'm promoting all of these products by just sending traffic to that opt-in page that I will show it to you. Now, let me show you how I'm promoting this product with my YouTube channel. So I created a playlist that the name is Funnel Freedom IO Tutorials, and basically I'm creating content about funnel freedom. And I have all these videos. For example, this one has 139 views, this one 88 views, and here I have all this content in which I am talking about the results that I am having for utilizing this system. For example, I made, so check this out, check this video. So I made my first commission in less than 30 days by utilizing the Don't For You funnel that is inside of Funnel Freedom. So this one was a sale of the 72-hour challenge, which is the low ticket product of Jonathan Montoya. So when people see this video, or so when people watch this video, so when they click here, so they will find this button, access to funnelfreedom.io, and this is my affiliate link for Funnel Freedom. But also I'm promoting the free course that is in Funnel Freedom with this link, and I'm promoting as well the 5-second silent method, which this funnel is to promote the 72-hour challenge of Jonathan Montoya. So when people click here, they will go to my funnel. So I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, and Funnel Freedom, which are products of Jonathan Montoya. So for example, I recorded this video. And I'm talking here how I made my first commissions in less than 30 days. So, and this is a really cool way to promote, for example, software or products that you are using. So you can create a simple video in your YouTube channel and put your affiliate links in the description. And so people will click here these links, and if someone wants to get access to this software, is going to put their information, and if they like the product, they can buy it, because this product has a 14-day free trial, so people can test it by themselves. They can get access to the free trial, and if they don't want to buy it, so they can cancel at any time. So basically, guys, this is how I'm promoting this software and making commissions. I'm making commissions by promoting the software, and also I'm making commissions by promoting these products that are inside of the Don't For You system. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe